Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Workspace to Canva for brand folders, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Workspace to Canva for brand folders, start by signing in to your Canva account. In the top right corner of the Canva homepage, click on the apps icon. In the search bar, type Google Workspace and select the integration option. Once prompted, click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page. Enter your Google Workspace email address and click Next. Input your password and click Next again. If prompted, allow Canva to access your Google account by clicking Allow. After the connection is established, return to your Canva dashboard. Now, select Brand Kit from the side panel. In the Brand Kit section, click on Brand Folders. Here, you can To create a new folder, click on the Create Brand Folder button. Type in a name for your folder that reflects your brand or project. Next, add assets to your folder by clicking Add Assets. Select the images or logos you want to include from your Google Drive. You can also upload files directly from your computer if needed. Once your folder is set up, you can easily organize and manage your brand assets. Remember to check for any updates or new features in Canva that may enhance this process. With your Google Workspace connected, your designs will now be more streamlined. You can easily access and collaborate on designs with your team members using these folders. This integration will help maintain branding consistency and improve workflow efficiency. Explore further tools and features in Canva to make the most out of your design experience. Enjoy creating with your connected Google Workspace and brand folders in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.